Hi everyone, it's Lesley from Botanica. Today I'm going to be making up a temperate arrangement. This one is for my sister. It's a gift and she will be coming to pick it up any minute now. So let me show you the process that I take to make it up. So Temperate is a modular design. It combines with the Rainforest collection. It's 3 parts. We've got the top, the insert and the base. The bases are all interchangeable. We've got the plant insert in there. We plant in here, we pop the lid on at the end so we can easily access our plants in the meantime. And if your plants are growing really well and you want to extend the height, you can also add additional glass or our rainforest top, the closed top. So it really depends on what you're planting. But for today, I think I'm going to use the cork base. It's a sustainably sourced cork and one that I just think looks really good with this plant selection. So what I've got here is the medalion, calathea, red heart syngonium, and my favorite, the nerve plant, little fittonia. So this will be my combination. I also have some decorative rocks. So if you don't want to go out and buy all of your substrate layers, I'm selling those on the website so you can order those with your temperate. But the plants, you have the joy of finding those yourself, and I'm sure you've got favorites. With the plants, select something that you love and select something that's going to do great in indoor environments. Don't want anything that's going to grow too large. This one I'll probably end up cutting back a little bit, but for the purpose of this, I want to look really lush, really leafy. So let's get started. So for the substrate layer, you can use grow stones. I went to the nursery yesterday and they said that would be fine. Because I didn't actually have any stones here. But I do find you want to mix it up with some heavier stones because this is so light and there's not a lot of depth in there that you don't want the arrangement to move around. Don't want to ruin the base. So I'm just wetting this just to hold the sphagnum down. Now, in terms of arrangement, there is a front and a back to these, the little Botanica logo here. So that will be my front. I think that one will look nice, either at the back or centered. Got 2 here, let's break that up. I gently remove the soil from the plants. Cute little cluster there. I'm going to use some of these stones, hold the plants in place. Fittonia. Now this one's already breaking apart slightly, so I'm going to use those little clusters, gently break them apart. Together with my hands. Now before I add the bulk of the soil, I'm just going to press down around the roots of the plants really gently. Being careful not to snap any of the roots. Just pack it in enough so that everything feels secure, and then we're going to just push away any of the soil that's on the outer edge because that is where the glass is going to sit. So I'll just quickly clean this up. And let's select our rocks. That's looking really nice. So I'm kind of stacking those stones. Just make sure they're secure, obviously. If you've got some dirt on the leaves, just grab your tweezers and take those off. Any leaves that aren't working or out of place, just cut them off. It looks pretty good. All right, now we're gonna pop the lid on. And just wiggle back and forth around the soil. And there you go. Love it. I quite like the cork base, but with those stones, it might really suit the concrete. What do you think? Don't know. I can't decide. Maybe the Carrara. Let's try that. Third time lucky. Yeah. There you go. Have a beautiful week, everyone. I'll see you next week.